Hello, welcome to this Civil 3D corridor modeling tutorial. In our previous video we created these cross sections and we saw that if a template is set up properly, then cross sections can be created automatically, and along with the cross sections sheets will be created automatically as well, and we can come to those sheets that we created along with the creation of cross sections. Now we need to add data bands to these cross sections, and I will come to my model view. Okay, so now if I click on any section view, I get two very powerful commands called section view properties and view group properties. Section view properties will affect on individual section views only. So any changes that you will be making using this command will affect an individual cross sections only. But if you need to make a global change for all the cross section in a section view group, then obviously you will be using this view group properties. For example, I need to add a data band to all these cross sections at the same time. Okay, by all cross sections means only cross sections which are placed in a specific section view group. What is section view group? Come to prospector, come to alignment, and then center line alignments, and the only alignment that we have in our model, and then sample line groups. In sample line group we have only one sample line group called x dash sections, and then underneath it is section view groups. So currently we have only one group called section view group dash 1. So all those section views over here, as we know from our previous video, they were placed to this one section view dash group. So if I click on any section view, this command will only affect those section views in this which are placed in this section view group dash 1. Okay, so let's proceed with the creating data bands for these cross sections at the same time. I will click on any section view and then I will come to view group properties. Okay, there are three tabs: section views, sections, sheets. Let us click on this section view tab, and then there are plenty of tools over here available, but we will be using this change band set. We'll click on this button. Okay, we already have one data band called section data, and let us add two more bands. I will click on this button and we'll add invert level band. I will click on this invert level band and we'll add it to our list, and then we'll put 0 against this gap value. And since this will be invert level, we know that if you follow my previous videos, we created a surface which represented invert level of the drainage channel. So I will use that surface, and I know that that surface is ditch invert level surface. And then for surface 2, it doesn't matter if you put any specific surface over here or not. It will still we will still get values from this surface only, but still I will put its actual ditch invert level surface. I'm gonna put this surface against surface 2. Let us come to another data band. Let us add cut depth. So by using this cut depth, we will be getting as the name suggests, it will give us cut depth at cross section location. So I will add this, and again against it I will put the value of gap as 0. And I know that cut depth will be received from by using ditch. Let us not use this cut depth. Instead of it, I'm gonna get rid of this. I'm gonna get rid of this, and instead of it I will add fill depth, and we'll keep this gap value equal to 0. So we have added a fill depth data band, and against it I will put the surface 1 as fill comparison surface. And again, for those guys who may be wondering where these surfaces have come from, so you need to see my previous videos. In our previous videos, we created certain surfaces representing top of the drainage channel, invert level of the channel, and then also we created two surfaces, one called fill comparison surface and one was called cut comparison surface. So I will keep ditch fill comparison surface against this surface one, and I will add existing ground. So this surface minus existing ground will give me fill depth. Okay, this has been done, so I'll click on OK. And remember, these two additional bands that I'm going to add here will be added to all section views placed under this section view group -1 group. Okay, I'll click on OK. So as you can see, all these section views now have data bands attached to them. In our next video, we will add fill and cut material to these section views. Thank you so much for viewing this video. We will see you in the next video.